So today I'm going to go over how to manage your auto ship in the Q back office. So the first thing we need to do is to go up here to our search bar, type in office 2, the number 2, dot, and you can see it's already coming up, dot myqsciences.com, and hit enter. So this is what comes up. So you're going to put in your login information here that was created when you created an account. You put that login information in there. And I'm going to scroll through here and find mine and log in, and then hit login. So this takes you to your back office. So you have, this is for ambassadors. Right here you have your windows of PV and OV. You have what our next event is, the date, and then over here, and then up here are notifications. So you can see when you have new members, your profile, you can go in here and change your picture, change anything there, and I'll do other videos to help you to know how to do that. So to change our back order, we come over here and you can see we have all these tabs that open up. This slides out, and you can see what you want to use. So we're going to go to orders, right here, the little cart, and go to manage auto ship. Click on that. That is going to pull up your annual membership fee and your auto ship that you created. If you have not created an auto ship, then you need to go down here when you first became an ambassador. If you just bought the membership kit, then you need to go down here and press this plus to create a new auto ship, and you need to have an auto ship so you can be paid. So this is the auto ship that I have set up. So we have view and edit. So if you click on view, it goes to the actual invoice. I'm going to go back. So if you want to edit, click on edit. And then here you can see what you have. So if you just want to take out something here, you can just hit the little trash can and take it out. You can add if you want to add to that number. And then here you will see when your auto ship will ship. So mine will ship next on 3/20/2019. You can click here to edit that. It's very simple. Just go there and you can go to the next month and click it. Click on the date you want. Click OK. And see, it changed it to 4/10. So I'll go to edit and then go back. Change it to the 20th. All auto ships automatically set to the 20th. So if you want something earlier, then you need to go in and change it. Or if you want to skip a month, you can do that as well. So it changed it back to 3/20. Shipping method, this is set up when you order. If it isn't, then you can do it here. And of course your address you can edit, and your payment card you can edit. Okay, so if I want to add more items, I'm going to click right here. Add more items. And then it will take me to this page. Now, make sure that you click on View More Promotions, and that's going to slide that down, and you can see all the hemp oil. Also up here we have tabs that will take you to the promotions, auto packs, Q96 Total Nutrition, Q Core Q Complete. This is all the auto packs, or all the packs for those. Skincare, men and women's health, which is the Vitalize, the vascular health, energy, which is the focus and the sport, digestive health, biotics, and fiber, and this slides over as well. Weight management, sprays, product packs, and sales tools is just the hemp samplers. And then slide this back over and hit all, and it'll bring everything back up again. So you can see through all of these that they have view more, and you can add. So to add to your auto ship, you want to click view more promotions. If you want the cinnamon hemp oil, I'm going to add that. So as you see, it's going to bring it up over here. And it's going to have all the items that you want. And you can delete things in this page as well. You know, it'll pop it up to delete it or to add or whatever. So let's go. So to finish, so if you didn't want to add anything or delete anything, you can go back to review. Your payment method will come up. And then you will want to hit save auto ship. And this will save your auto ship. And then you can go back and view. And you can see what you have. So I'm going to edit. And I'm going to take out the hemp oil. Whoops, I took out the wrong one. And then you need to hit save again. Anytime you make a change, hit save again. And then when you want to go back to the main page, you hit home. Home is your main page. So you can just click on these. This is another one that people have trouble with, documents and media. This is where all of our products are. Go to product marketing and all of our products show up. So let me click on a product. And you can see it comes up with the products. And then you can click on the info sheet. And then over here, the bar slides out. You need to click on view. And then that will come up. That information sheet will pop up. And then you can copy and paste this link and send it to people or print it or whatever you need to do there. So let's go back home. And then to just place an order without an auto ship, you do the very same thing. Just go to place order. It'll take you to all the products. You add a product to your cart, add to cart, and proceed to checkout. And then you hit finish. And since your information is already in there, then it will automatically show up. So I'm going to delete this because I don't want to order that right now. And then order history. This shows all the orders that you have placed. And you can view the order. So you can see what you ordered. Go back. And then you can hit the order ID, the invoice. So it's kind of the same thing. You can print the invoice or whatever you would like. So that is how you get into your auto ship and how you change it around. And it's really, really very simple.